Did somebody say makeover? Use those muscles! Watch that fluff! Still going, huh? Almost in! Good thing I wore goggles. See anything yet? Wow! What? There's a whole room back here. But it looks like it's been neglected. That's where we come in. This place is filled with cobwebs. Phew! So much stuff. Spider! Ick! Ha! I got it! Phew! Our job is done here. Good work. Oh, I'm so nervous. Yes! Kylie said she's coming over. I gotta make things perfect. No girl can resist fresh popcorn. Wait, this one's facing the wrong way. Now that's better. Now for me. Can't be smelling like a gym sock today. Delicious. How's the hair? Clean shaven? Good? Good? Yes. How much longer? Phew. Stay cool, man. Let's get the movie revved up. Well, that's not good. There we go. I was worried for a second there. Come back! You were just working! Come on! No, no, no! This can't be happening! Just work for me, TV. I need you! Maybe if I rub its back. Maybe your wires are twisted. Just gotta get them at the right angle. How about this way? Still nothing? This has got to work! Come on! Yeah? Oh, going down! That's gonna leave a bruise. Wait! I forgot I still have that old box! Not all hope is lost after all! First, cut a hole in the side here. Then remove the lid. Put it to the side. And make a sense out of some styrofoam. It should fit right into the box. Put another one in the middle. Then stick your phone with your movie in the back. It should play perfectly now. Woohoo! Make sure to put it up high. Man! Phew! That's some good picture. Is she here? Thanks for coming over, Kylie. My favorite movie! Nice picture, too! A rose for a rose. And if you're hungry, I've got popcorn. Thanks. Just sit back and enjoy. My favorite part! Oh, I didn't disable my text! This is so embarrassing! Trouble in the bathroom, huh? This thing is soft. Don't get too comfortable. There! Whoa, this is tricky. No peeking! Where is it? No! What did I do? Oh, my mom's gonna kill me! How do you put a pot back together? Ah! We've gotta think fast here! It's Mom's favorite plant. She was so happy when she bought it. She treated it like her baby. Remember how she'd tuck it in at night? It's her pride and joy! And we killed it! The aquarium! I have an idea. These are kinda like plants, right? Let's do it! This repotting is a delicate surgery. Scalpel! Good enough. Let's see here. The rocks can line the bottom. Now for the dirt. Gotta dig in here. More dirt. Perfect! Keep it coming! Last bit! Now push it flat. Stick a cute little house on top. And add in some fun plants. Ta-da! Isn't it adorable? Mom's gonna love this! Definitely. We'd better get it back on the table. You're gonna be okay, little fella. Easy. There. Phew. That sure was a close call. Up high! Mom! What a day, what a day. Everything looks okay here. What on earth? Weird. Anyway. Yes! Go faster! I said faster! Let's go! You having fun with your little game? What do you possibly need all those for? It's hurting my eyes! Clean these up this very instant! I said clean up those wires! Mom! I'm concentrating! Can we put some of these away? You're in the way! She's really getting tangled up there. Ugh! Well, don't just sit there! Are you okay? Get rid of these, will you? Ugh, I don't want to clean all this. Guess the fun's over. This is gonna take me forever to untangle. Ugh. Whoa! My game! Got it! Phew, that was close. May as well keep playing then. Now where was I? Now we're talking. Almost. Mom! How did you get under there? Am I in big trouble? Time to put these wires away. Alright. Not sure what I'm doing. Use that roll thing. Here's how you do it. Once the cords are all lined up, secure them with a zip tie. But leave some space for even more. And arrange it just like this. Now do a bunch. Cut the excess plastic pieces. See how they go down all this way? Now for the paper towel rolls. They're perfect for the little cords. See? Don't forget to label them. Then store them all in a box. In you go. How organized am I? Bravo, son! I knew you could do it! Great! That means it's back to game time. I've got some catching up to do. Yes! Hey, wait! I'm already out of battery? I just can't catch a break here. But wait, I can plug it in with this thing. And it sure was easy to find. Being organized is the best thing ever. Who needs batteries when I can plug right on in? Woohoo! This is awesome! Finally, some time to myself. Hey! What the… My table! How heavy are my legs? I wonder if I could put it back together. I guess I could try to wing it. Come on, get back on here! Why is this happening to me? Guess it's garbage now. Too bad. So sad. Thanks for nothing. Ha! Into the trash pan you go. That's the last time I buy cheap furniture. What a waste. Now what? Who left that tire lying around? Finders keepers! Nobody's even here. Hey! That's not yours, lady! Where's she rolling off to? This has never happened to me before! Get back here! Made it home, safe and sound. Time to turn this thing into a table! Ready, glue? We need plenty of glue on this edge. That way, this bowl won't move. Next up, rope. Don't let that glue dry just yet. Now top it off with another layer of it. Great! Eventually, the whole thing should be wrapped in the rope. Then pour the dirt into the bowl. Add some rocks and succulents. And cover the whole thing with glass. Voila! It's a table, people! Yeah, I actually made it myself. I wish I could make stuff. Seriously? Sorry I'm late. Nice table. What's it made out of? Well, I saw this tire on the side of the road, so I just rolled it right on home. Nobody stopped me or anything. Wait a minute! You've been the thief all along? I don't want to tell the story anymore. Oops. Think you could do these great home improvement hacks? Try them out with your friends and share this video with them to get the creativity flowing. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out.